To pay your mortgage with the Bilt credit card, start by understanding the Bilt Rewards program, which allows you to earn points on your rent and mortgage payments. First, ensure you have a Bilt credit card account and that your mortgage lender is a Bilt partner. Next, log into your Bilt account and navigate to the Payments section. Select your mortgage lender from the list of available partners and enter the required payment details, including the payment amount and due date. It is essential to note that Bilt charges no fees for mortgage payments, and you can earn 1 point for every dollar spent on rent and mortgage payments, with no rotating categories or spending limits. To make a payment, you will need to link your mortgage account to your Bilt account. This can be done by providing your mortgage account number and other required information. Once your account is linked, you can initiate the payment process. When making a payment, consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely payments and avoid late fees. You can also track your payment history and rewards earnings through your Bilt account. To maximize your rewards, make sure to pay your mortgage payment on time and in full each month. Additionally, consider using your Bilt credit card for other expenses to earn more points. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively pay your mortgage with the Bilt credit card and earn valuable rewards points. Remember to always review your account terms and payment schedules to ensure seamless and timely payments. It is also crucial to understand that while paying your mortgage with a credit card can be convenient, it is essential to prioritize responsible credit habits and avoid accumulating debt. Always pay your credit card balance in full and on time to avoid interest charges and late fees. In conclusion, paying your mortgage with the Bilt credit card is a straightforward process that can help you earn rewards points and simplify your payments. By following the steps outlined in this guide and maintaining good credit habits, you can make the most of this convenient payment option.